Welcome to Digital Field Trip. Please keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We hope you enjoy the ride.
Digital Field Trip to the Rainforest is an educational program intended to give students a unique opportunity to experience the environment of a rainforest. Students will be able to explore the different aspects of the rainforest. These include botany, animals, food webs, and human impact.
Here's some examples of slides from the Digital Field Trip. Students can be engaged in learning about the different aspects of the rainforest.
The digital field trip can be used in the classroom as a means of active engagement. It allows students to simulate a realistic experience of a trip to the rainforest. Students can click on anything they want to learn about, and the program will provide pictures and information about the topic.
With Digital Field Trip, you can bring the rainforest to the students. This program also meets important educational criteria. The presentation is clear and concise. Students control the speed of the program, and the interface is easy to use. This is also a great tool for handicapped students. Students who are visually impaired can still listen to the narration, while those who are deaf can still read the narration on screen.
The obvious problem this software solves is not being able to take a trip to the rainforest. Technology is a great solution in this situation for a myriad of reasons. The software supports the curriculum, can be integrated into a normal school day, and allows for self-paced learning. The basis that makes this program an educational grand slam is that it improves students' motivation and interest in learning. Instead of reading off of a board and taking notes, students take an active role in their own education. Not only do the students broaden their knowledge about technology, but it helps them learn about the rainforest in a unique way.
All in all, Digital Field Trip is an excellent educational tool for a variety of users. The benefits are never ending for a program like this.